Ito yung literal na presyong townhouse pero single attached na ang makukuha mo na may 100 square meters na lot area. Sulit na sulit kasi 15,000 lang ang monthly down payment for our Carnation model here at Richdale West Residences. So tara, tripping tayo! Hi everyone! It's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another affordable single attached home tour. And yes, panalong-panalo ka nga dito kasi ang laki na ng lote mo which is 100 square meters at may floor area ka na rin na 66 square meters. May provision ka na for 1 to 2 carport, service area, 3 bedrooms, at may 2 toilet and bath ka na rin. At available nga to sa Pag-ibig Financing, kaya naman highly recommended to for our buyers working abroad, locally employed, at self-employed. Sa presyo nga nito, kung titingnan mo sa iba, townhouse lang, pero dito may single attached ka na. Exclusive ang subdivision at ramdam mo na ang Tagaytay breeze dito, kaya naman for sure may enjoy dito ng family mo. Pre-selling ang mga unit natin, kaya naman naka-introductory price pa tayo. And yes, basic finish ang turnover natin, kaya naman pwedeng-pwede mong makustomize talaga ang interior ng iyong property upon turnover. And most of our client, yan din ang nagugustuhan right now. 15,000 lang reservation natin to secure the unit, 15,000 lang din ang monthly down payment mo, payable for 29 months. Sa Pag-ibig, nasa 20,000 ka lang. Sulit, diba? So paano? Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or caller message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!